Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Technologies. Today we are going to solve this equation. Although this equation may appear challenging at first glance, fear not, with the right approach we can solve it in less than a minute. We will follow two simple approaches to solve this equation. Let's start with method 1. So the equation is x square minus 16xy plus y square is equal to 0. We need to find out x by y plus y by x, and the condition is x is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. We can write this equation as x square minus 16xy plus y square. We will write plus 16xy here is equal to 0 plus 16xy. So this minus 16xy plus 16xy will cancel out. So we can write x square plus y square is equal to 16xy. Now divide xy in both left hand side and right hand side. So we can write it as x square plus y square divided by xy is equal to 16xy divided by xy. As we know, a plus b divided by c is equal to a by c plus b by c. So we can apply this rule here. We can write x square by xy plus y square divided by xy is equal to 16xy divided by xy. Now this denominator x can cancel out one x from the numerator and we can write x by y, plus similarly this denominator y can cancel out one numerator of y. So we can write it as y by x. Here in the right hand side xy will cancel xy, then it will be 16. Now the answer is x by y plus y by x is equal to 16. Isn't it very simple? Let's look into the second method. We need to find out the answer for x by y plus y by x. Let's guess the answer is t. So we can add these two expressions. The LCM of the denominator is x y. xy divided by y is x. We multiply x into x, that is x square. Similarly xy divided by x is y. We multiplied y into y, that is y square is equal to t. So we can simplify this equation by writing x square plus y square is equal to txy. Now the original equation is x square minus 16xy plus y square is equal to 0. So we can simply write this as x square plus y square minus 16xy is equal to 0. From this equation we know the value of x square plus y square is equal to txy. So we can replace this x square plus y square with txy minus 16xy is equal to 0. We can take xy common from these two and write it as xy into t minus 16 is equal to 0. So here we can write either xy is equal to 0 or t minus 16 is equal to 0. If we consider xy is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. But this is not the solution because the condition of this equation is x is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. So the only solution is t minus 16 is equal to 0. So we can write t is equal to 16. So what is t? We have considered t is as x by y plus y by x. So replacing the value of t as x by y plus y by x is equal to 16. Hence this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.